it's better. Put a flash on. So I've taken off the I need the little screwdriver. I was hoping it's still there. So I've taken off the fan. Now I was going to go for trying to keep it logical. So if I take off these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 large screws, put them in Tuesday. Call these Tuesday. Call these Tuesday. Call these Tuesday. That's that one. So that's in Tuesday. Those 4 big ones are in Tuesday. Oh, sorry, this one here is this. Right. Then so I'm going to go for this. Let's go for the hard disk cover. That'll be Wednesday. These are machine screws. I'm not sure. Well, sorry. Yeah. I mean, these are very fine thread. That's in Wednesday. This comes off. So that's a cover for the hard disk. That's coming off. That should just come off. Oh shit, if it doesn't. Oops. It doesn't come off. It doesn't. That's it. That just comes off. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the cover off for the Blu-ray board. This will be Thursday. 2 more machine screws. Oh no, sorry, there's a big casing screw there. I'm still putting that in Thursday. Is it still working? Still putting that in Thursday. So that comes off. Oh yeah. So then I can take off my. I'll put that in Thursday as well then. This one comes off. Oh yeah. If I just write on the. Make sure I don't get it mixed up. I'm gonna write on there. Okay. I call this one 02. Okay. Got so oh, that was it. So these call this Friday. This Friday. That should be able to just for this Friday. There's one over here. Friday. Right, that's the that should be. Should just come off. That's the top metal casing cover. And we've got the main motherboard. It needs a bit of a clean. Said I could. I had the. You can see that's pretty. There's quite a lot of dust in there. Just got a soft brush. Just brush some of that off. I'm going to clean that off separately. Yeah, there's a lot of dust on there. There's a lot of dust on it. The board is DIA-002. Yeah. So I think I've got to take the hard disk out now. I need a little flathead screwdriver, pop the hard disk cover, and there's the PlayStation hard disk screw, it's like a blue one. This comes with. Put that in Saturday. Take the hard disk out. I can clean that separately. Then the board should lift off. Should lift off. Let me undo the F screw because that ain't doing anything because it's not. That's quite stiff, that one. Let's put that in Sunday. Yeah. That should just lift off. Something's making it stick. Presumably it's the paste. I'm gonna have to lift it out to try and get it out. There's no other screws holding it down, I can see. It's not screwed from the bottom. I could undo the. Oh, wait a minute. It should just come off. It should just come off. 1 second. Wait a minute. That's it. Paste, I think. Oh, hold on. The whole lower case is coming off there. I'm not sure why that isn't just lifting off. I can't remember now. It should just lift out. Let's try lifting it with the. That's it. I just lifted it out with the bottom case. Be careful not to snap the board, obviously. I think it was because, yeah, because of the paste. The paste has gone hard. I mean, this is why these are so hard. It's boiled the paste. It's probably why these things overheat. So yeah, but it was better to lift up the plate. You don't want to snap the board off, and then now the board just lifts out. That's over there. So this is the bottom of the PS. So I've got 2 screws that hold the back cover. Well, I put them in Sunday number 2. Sunday number 2. And then that lifts out. That's all dirty as well. Then you got, there's like a lower cooling station housing screws. So this one, that's one. Put them in Monday. That's it. That's Monday. And then there's 3 for the fan. You can take them off now. And then that's it. This lower count, this lifts out. So you've got your fan. That needs cleaning off, but you can't obviously put that in water. This you can wash in water. This is the heatsink. I think it's for the graphics chip, this one, because it hasn't got so many fins. That you can wash in water as long as you dry it off totally before you put it back. I'm going to clean that off. And this is the main CPU heatsink. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fins, 6 big fins, and then the 2 little fins. These little columns just holding the fins, and that's it. So see you in the next video where I'll be putting. I'm going to wash this can be washed off carefully, but I don't usually wash it off in water because of these pads, because you don't want to make these wet. But this casing needs cleaning off, it's just all filthy with the dust. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe so I can make more videos to help you fix your PlayStation. Thanks.